Go out. If they ask you now, you say you be the brother of education. Eh? What am I going to do for you in this house? Every time I bring and I'm going to do it. I don't do for you everything for you. I solve for you. I do everything. I solve. I go internet, go WhatsApp, go everywhere. Go to do assignment for you. What is the problem? Eh? I just saw your school teacher. 200 out of 200. If you say now you carry that school for head. Eh? Everything when you ask me, I help you do them. Everything when what do you read?
Brother, they read book. Oh.
You read book?
See, now they read book.
Now you carry school for head.
No, but brother, see you. The question where they ask me, the auntie say 10 plus 2. I answer 20. She won't fail me.
Oh, ordinary 10 plus 2, now you don't know. When you don't know 10 plus 2, why you no carry and can't give me?
Eh, now, if you count 10, you can't put 2 under. You see, now you go bring out 0, 2. It's 20.
See you. You don't understand me, brother. 10 plus 2 na 200.
Hey! Okay.
You say, wait, you get any assignment where they carry your one, what they do for you? 2 into 2. Eh? All the money where the West they pay for your school fees now, na rubbish. You go come out for that school. People say if you don't ask me, I they teach you. Now me be education. They go say I know tell my sister very well. See, come inside and come and give me food. Ordinary 200.
God, between me and this my brother, who even worse pass? Eh? 10 plus 2, 200. Hey! Oh, no problem. I'll go before you start. I come.